Hello guys, this is me Escart again. I'm in the rooftops of my house. As you can see, Chennai is already flooded with lots of waters. You know, it's full of filthy waters. In fact, it's really terrible one. I'll just show you some clips around my house, and hopefully you will understand the situation here in Chennai for the past 3 days. So here we go. So here's the filthy water that I was talking about, filled with garbage and something like that. That house is filled with water. I don't know about the inhabitants of that house, but I think that they would have left out their house. We certainly do have some helicopters flying over top, but I think they are not helicopters. I think they are not rescue helicopters. They are just medias. They are just covering it. That's all. So as you can see here, cars, everything is stranded. You know, it is already the third day, and many people are having no food, no water, no clean water. I mean, it's really a problematic one here in Chennai. My locality is, to be specific, is that I am here in Valasarakam. So
natural disaster.
Yeah, as you mentioned, it's just a natural disaster. We didn't expect this. It's just an unprecedented act of nature. We hope that within a matter of days, these things, would be recovered. So you can see the main street. There's the entrance of our house. It's fully covered with water. It's about 3 feet, as someone had said to me, just 3 feet. We would get electricity after 2 to 3 days. That's what media people have officially disclosed it. Many people were having a terrible time. As you can see, there are still rain clouds, but I don't think so that it will rain, because for the past 1 day it didn't rain at all. So all the trucks, transportations were temporarily shut down, because you can't just move in this water, because the water resistance is too high and the tires can't move at all. So they just stop the vehicles there.
மக்கள் போட்டில் போயின்னு இருக்காங்க சென்னையில். இங்கிலீஷில் நாங்கள் கேன்சல். ஆமாம், இந்த பக்கெட்டில் தண்ணி ரொப்பி தண்ணி ரொப்பிங்க வெளியே எடுத்துட்டு நேச்சர் போட்.
I think you know what he meant. There's no boat at all here in this locality.
Artificial boat.
Yes. Though it's inefficient, but people have no choice. They just need to leave their house. They need help also. Hopefully they will make a safe journey. So as you can see, my area is completely flooded. No rescue operations were taking place, because the rescue operation is quite hard to do so, because the water is too much. It's 3 feet, 4 feet. Many people can't even move. The water current is so strong that it pushes them down, literally. So what I'm asking you to do is that if you find any people who are stranded, who can't find any help, please help them, because sometimes there will be no food, and especially in my locality there is no food at all, because the shops were just shut down, and many people are suffering here, including myself. So, and at the same time there's no electricity at all for 3 days. For 3 days there's no electricity. because of heavy cyclone, because of heavy water, because of heavy rain, and they just have announced that it will just take another few days for them to recover. So please help them, because many people here are suffering a lot. I do help them. Whatever I could, I have helped them by providing some food. This video is not about my locality. It is in fact about many parts of the world, so including Bangladesh. Especially Bangladesh is considered to be being flooded, in fact, because of severe global warming. Some parts of Bangladesh, even agricultural fields, were being flooded by the seawater. So rescue operations there, it's quite difficult because the entire land is being flooded rather than just a part. So what I'm hoping you to do is who are being stranded because of this terrible calamity. I'm just repeating it again and again because it is not a simple problem. It's a serious issue, not only here in Chennai but also all other parts of the world. This is just an example of busy city being completely demoralized, completely stopped because of this problem. So I hope you have learned something from this video. In fact, this more practical video, I should say. Please, if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to watch more of my videos, please click the subscribe button. So this is me, Iskatik, signing off.